Woy Woy, requested by Nathan Nguyen, Rupert Hansen and Aaron Liu. I'm standing on platform 1 and over to my right is platform 2. Woy Woy station is 72 kilometers away from Central Station. And this direction is facing towards Newcastle and the Hunter Line. And this direction is facing towards Sydney. And see what comes past. Enjoy. We have an Oscar approaching platform 2. It's a Wyong service.
The train on platform 2 goes to Wyong.
Front four cars are H32.
Then Tascott,
Next stop will be Coolawong,
Gosford, and then all stations to Wyong. The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to Central.
We have a VSET approaching platform 1, Central service. Front four cars are V42. V4 cars of the VSET is V30. And the rear 4 cars of the Oscar is H55, bound for Wyong. V42 and V30 now departing for a Central service. Next stop will be Hornsby, then followed by Epping, Eastwood, Stratford, and then Central. Okay guys, I'm going to wrap up the vlog now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video and put in the request for where I should vlog next. I do apologize if this vlog was short, but thank you so much for watching and bye for now.